Hello, I am Somnath Borde from TY BTech IT. Today I am explaining the a priori algorithm. Title of our assignment. Apply a priori algorithm to find frequently occurring item from given data and generate strong association rule using support and confidence threshold. Objective of our assignments. Model association between products by determining set of items frequently purchased together and building association rule to derive recommendation. Learn market basket analysis using a priori and AP growth algorithm using Python. Problem statement. Demonstrate market basket analysis using a priori algorithm to find frequently occurring items from given data and generate strong association rule using support and confidence threshold. Association rule of mining. The a priori algorithm proposed by R. Agrawal and R. Srikant in 1994. It is an important data mining model studied extensively by a database and data mining communication. Assume all data are categorized. Initially used for market basket analysis to find how items purchased by customer are related. The a priori algorithm, the best known algorithm, two step. Find all item set that have minimum support. Frequently item set also called large item set. It create association rule with support and confidence. Example, if you buy toothbrush, it suggests Colgate and tongue cleaner. Step of a priori algorithm. First, set a minimum support and confidence. Take all the subset in transactions. Take all the rules this subset having higher confidence than minimum confidence. Sort the rules by decreasing leaps. This is our program. We use the some libraries for our in our program. Import NumPy as the NP. NumPy is a numerical library which is used for the mathematical expression express. Import Matplotlib. Matplotlib is a library which is used for the graphical representation of data. Import Pandas as PD. Pandas is library which is used for the visualization the visualizing the data. This is also used for the importing dataset. PIP install a priori. Import dataset from Google Colab import file data to load file.upload. Here we use the dataset market basket optimization.csv. This is CSV file. This is our dataset. Import IO dataset pd.read underscore CSV. This is our dataset. Dataset is right. Our dataset has a 7,500 rows and 20 columns. This is our dataset shape. In the code, we will use transaction. This is used for because the a priori that we will use for training our model takes the dataset in the format of the list of the transaction. So we have create an empty list of the transaction. This list will be contain all the item set from the our dataset. For I in range 0 to 7500 transactions dot append structure dataset dot value I in j for j in range 0 to 20. Here in our dataset there is 7500 rows. This is 0 to 7500 400 in 999 and 20 columns. That's that's why we use the range. Training the a priori models on the dataset. From a priori import a priori to train the model we will use the a priori function that will be the imported from the a priori package. This function will return the rules of train the models on the dataset. Rules is equal to a priori transaction is equal to transactions minimum support 0.003, minimum confidence is equal to 0.02, minimum leaps 3, minimum length 2, maximum length 2. Transactions is a list of transactions. Minimum supports. To set the minimum support, float value, here we have used 0.003. That is calculated by taking 3 transactions per customer each week to total number of transactions. Minimum confidence 0.02. To set the minimum confidence value, here we have take 0.02. It can change as per business problem. Minimum leap. To set minimum leap value. This is our result. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 rows. There is 9 rules. Visualizing the rule support confidence leap in more clear way. For item in result, pair is equal to item 0. Item is equal to x for ix in pair. Print rule plus item 0 tends to item 1. Print support confidence leap. This is our output. From this output, we can analyze each rules. The first rule, which is light screen. Chicken tends to light cream. State that the chicken and light cream are bought frequently by most of the customer. The support of this rule is 0.004. The confidence is 0.29. Conclusion, Thus, we learn that the find frequently occurring item from given data and generate strong association rule using support and confidence threshold using a priori algorithm. Thank you.